What's going on, guys? It's your friend Jack here, and today we're back, and it is that time of the week. It is Wednesday, and we're going to be doing some Redbubble shop reviews, and we have 4 shops lined up for today, so get ready and get prepared for some awesome tips, and let's get right into the video. Alright, so the first shop we have today is Direct Jellyfish, and this banner is looking pretty darn nice. Loving the banner, I love the logo, and joined January 2021, so very recently joined, and 72 designs, so not that many designs, but we're going to take a look at the quality of the designs. You got some nice collections here. The more collections the better, but I like how these collections look pretty organized. Sorry, I'm a bit tired, but I like the pattern collection. Definitely keep it up, and maybe try to add a few more once you get some more designs, but you have a few patterns here. I would recommend putting your pattern designs on things like masks or things that sell a bit more. I wouldn't recommend putting your stuff on bath mats. Really, this does look actually really good on a bath mat, so it's not a bad thing, but try to keep your products to things that sell a little bit more. In terms of the notebooks, you could put them on greeting cards as well. Greeting cards sell pretty darn nicely, and stickers are another good option. Masks and t-shirts also good options. Probably wouldn't go with pillows, but it looks like you have a good amount of designs that are pretty high quality. I like this kind of text design. It does look a bit weird with the and in there. I would recommend just kind of sticking to 2 types of text. It does throw people off sometimes when you have too many different types of text. You have a little a little sticker pack, and sticker packs are great. Definitely do sticker packs. This one is a 4 times Thomas sticker pack, so that's pretty good, and that's actually really smart to make people actually get more than what they pay for. They get a lot more value out of it, so definitely keep it up with the sticker packs 100%. I'm not sure if this is really a best as a sticker here, so maybe I would make this something like a t-shirt or a mask. Just because the stickers don't really make sense as much, it'd be hard to place it. But these sticker packs look really good. I'm not sure if you illustrated these yourself. Ice cream is my Valentine. So even now you could change that into a normal ice cream design, but it looks really nice. It's a good sticker pack. And let's keep scrolling. You have I speak in movie songs and lyrics and sarcasm. So things like this I also probably wouldn't put as a sticker just because they're not connected. I would put things like that as a t-shirt or a mask. Something like that is my recommendation. But you have a lot of decent designs, and you have my name here too, Jack. So thank you for that. Usually you don't see my name, but thank you for including me in your names. And when we scroll down, you have a lot of really good sticker packs, so definitely keep it up with the sticker packs. I'd recommend putting some of them on t-shirts and things like that. Greeting cards are also really good for your default product here. So I don't know if you're using Optimize or what you're using, but default is really good. It's not really that great. So like things like this, greeting cards look a little bit better. This one maybe put as a sticker because it does look pretty good right here. But you have a lot of designs that are pretty good. Just work on making some more designs, I would say. And real quick, let's go check on your tags. We're gonna check for this. We'll check for this ice cream one. I actually really like this design. It looks really good. And we're going to check what your tags are on it. So your tags on this are, it looks like it is a little bit spammy here. You did spam ice cream as my Valentine. So try to keep it down to just using the word once. Don't spam too much. And you can also rank for other things like ice cream lover or ice cream, I love ice cream, things like that. So you do have ice cream lover, but like I love ice cream or ice cream addict. There's a lot of other things you definitely could put in there to rank for that people would buy. And then Valentine's Day ice cream or ice cream something, 2 scoop strawberry ice cream or like something like that. There's a lot of different things you can rank for. You don't have to just use ice cream as my Valentine. So yeah, that's all the tips I have for your shop today. Keep it up, keep making designs. Direct Jellyfish, looks like you have some design skills in you, so keep going. Find some good niches, do your research, and best of luck to you. Thanks for submitting your shop. Alright, and the next shop is Stylish Way, and this shop is once again a really nice banner and a really nice logo. Just quality banner and logo. Looks really good and professional. 243 designs, so a good amount of designs. And we're gonna scroll down here. You have some collections, and you have also, you know, some good pictures on them. I kind of can't tell exactly what all of them are, but collections are collections. It's gonna help you rank in SEO probably as well, so it's not a bad thing to have. And when we scroll down here, you also have definitions, and I think definitions sell pretty well, and it looks like you have a lot of definitions. I would definitely put your products on, take them off optimized. It looks like you have them on optimized, and it makes your shop look 10 times better if you can just stick to 3 or 4 products like t-shirts, masks, stickers, and greeting cards. And it's going to be a lot easier to see than something like this. You can't really see it, so make sure you are picking your optimized product and you're not just making it what the recommended is. Don't just make it recommended. You want to make it something that's going to stand out and be viewable on, but also make it something that actually sells, a product type that actually sells. These throw blankets don't really sell that much, so putting eat, sleep, banning, repeat would probably be better on a t-shirt or on something that sells a little bit more, and would give it a better view of the design because it's really hard to read that. Let's keep scrolling, and you have these like little sticker packs, and I think they look pretty cool, but keep in mind to outline them because it does look really weird here. Got some weird parts going on, so keep that in mind when you're making these, is that if you outline them or stroke them, it would look a lot cleaner, and these little bumps might throw customers off and kind of not want people to buy. But let's keep scrolling, and you have a good amount of designs, and a lot of them are they are definitions. What I would recommend is also on your shirts, put your designs on the chest area, not on the stomach. No one really wants to see the design on their stomach. It's a little bit awkward and it's just weird. So put your design on the chest area and try to use, if you're going to use a dark font, use a lighter t-shirt color than this maroon. That's just my suggestion so people can read it easier. But other than that, keep making designs, keep going, and real quick we'll check your tags for one of these designs. And once again, the laptop sleeve, honestly, it looks pretty good. You can read it good in the thumbnail, but not many people buy laptop sleeves because they are quite pricey. Scroll down to your tags now, and you have a good amount of tags. Nothing too crazy. I would try to get some more niche down tags in there. A lot of these are very, very competitive tags. Try to get something so you can get your design seen, because it's going to be hard to rank for just happiness or things like that if your tags are just this. You could also put definition or funny definition or definition of happy, things like that, to basically just get another way of saying what your design's about and describing your tags, and then you're going to be able to get seen a lot more easier. Anyways, thank you Sashways for submitting your shop. Real quick, because I missed it on the last one, let's scroll down to the bottom. Oh, too far. 154 favorites for 243 designs, so that's not looking too bad. It looks like you have some sales possibly, and good luck. Keep going, keep finding some niches that are going to serve you well and have lower competition with a higher demand. Obviously, it's easier said than done, but definitely possible. Keep your eyes peeled and definitely keep working on your shop. Thank you for submitting your shop. Let's go into the third shop. Alright, in the third shop, if I can get there real quick, I just went back to the first shop. The third shop is Colorful Language, or Colorful Language, and it's a nice looking banner. Is a little bit low quality, but it does get the job done. I really like what you did with the logo here. It looks really clean. I actually like your logo a lot. Honestly, I'd probably put your logo as the banner and put some like kind of call to action here, like awesome designs for you or something like that, but it's not really a big deal. Not that many people come to your shop. However, your shop is kind of a niche shop, it looks like, or you have a style to it, which I really like. You have a very good feature collection of multi-pack sticker packs. So honestly, I think these look really good. Definitely keep up the colorful type of theme you got here. I think it could definitely work for you, and it definitely looks like you have a style to your designs, which I really like, that your shop has some consistency. And before we go any further, 1,100 designs, a good amount of designs, a hefty amount of designs. I like that. And it looks like you know what you're doing. You have a lot of great stickers, and then you're putting your designs on things like greeting cards, shirts, and masks, just as I would mention before. And this sticker pack is really cool too. A very cool concept for a sticker pack, so keep it up with the sticker packs. I'm sure you're killing it. If you can just get your tags right and your titles right, which I don't know if they are yet because I haven't checked, and you're going to be definitely making sales. If these designs get in front of people, I'm sure they will make sales. You have a lot of good designs here, and definitely keep making sticker packs. I know sticker packs are selling like crazy, and they do look really good, and it looks like you know what you're doing. You have a lot of designs, and you've had some time to actually, you know, try things out and do different things. 51 favorites. If you're not getting favorites or views, a lot of the times it's because of your SEO or your keywords or the niches you're picking. So let's go and let's check out one of these niches, like this BMX here. So BMX outline is your title. I would recommend putting like biker BMX or BMX biker, or, you know, mountain biking, putting some more descriptive keywords, because the only really word you're ranking for right now, or trying to rank for on the title, is BMX, and it's going to be hard to get seen if you're just putting BMX in the title. It's very important that you actually do a little bit more you know, keywords in your title and your description, and maybe put a few more tags here like biking, or like you have biking, but you could definitely put a few more tags here. You don't have biking, but you have bike and BMX. You could put an MTB for mountain biking. You could put mountain biking. You could put biking fun, you know, funny, good, cool biking. There's a lot of different things you could do here to get more people to see your listing. And that's the hardest part of organic traffic, is getting people to see your listing. Not that your designs aren't good. I think they actually are really good. So definitely work on your SEO and your keywords and the niches you are picking, and you're going to be able to make some sales. Thank you for submitting your shop colorful language, and keep making designs. Definitely keep it up with the sticker packs. Just make sure your keywords and in your title and your description and your tags are a little bit more optimized and a little bit more, you know, broad, or kind of get into a niche where you can get some eyeballs on your listings, and you will make sales. Alright, and the very last shop for this episode of Shop Reviews is going to be Vanage, or I'm probably butchering that and I'm so sorry, but Beginners Tutorial is, I believe, your brand or your name, Beginners. So scroll down here, and this banner is a bit misleading. I'm not exactly sure what it's about. It looks pretty nice, but your logo doesn't really match it. However, it's not really a big deal, honestly. But I would try to match them a bit, and maybe just give some like call to action or tell them what you're about, because this doesn't match the other two things. So we'll scroll down here and join June 2020. So you've been on Redbubble for longer than me. 269 designs, decent amount of designs. Keep scrolling here. You have a feature collection, Be My Valentine. Obviously Valentine's Day is over, so I would change your collection. However, it's not the end of the world, but changing your collection is going to help if you can put maybe one of your superhero designs or the graphic designs collections in. You're going to have a better odds of actually making sales from people coming to your shop. But let's scroll down, and you have a Power Rangers canvas print. And like I said for the other shops, I would recommend putting your designs on things that sell a little bit more. Duvet cover just doesn't sell enough for me to put it as my optimized listing unless I'm making a specific duvet cover design. You'd be much better off on a t-shirt, on a greeting card, on a sticker, or on a mask. That's just my opinion. Rather than these tile designs on throw blankets and blankets, I would definitely recommend putting it on stickers, masks, greeting cards, and t-shirts. Anyways, let's scroll down here, and you're gonna see that I just started reading your design, Antisocial. So I believe that's a spin-off of Antisocial. Yes, it is. But you have really good designs. Like you could use this template or this type of text for a lot of different niches in a lot of different ways. And it looks like you could have a lot more designs for the time you've been on the platform. However, just keep designing, and also be careful with designs like these. They're not going to print very well, and obviously it is cut off by the iPhone. But designs like these are not going to print very well, and it looks like the background is still on it. So be careful when you're doing that. Make sure your background is erased, and I would not recommend using like glowy elements. Try to do like very strict lines are going to be a lot better to print, and people aren't going to complain or ask for a return. But we'll scroll down here, and you have some nice basic designs, and I've seen that saying on a very popular Redbubble design, but trying things out, that's okay. And we'll keep scrolling, and I would just say your shop looks very random because of the optimized listings. So definitely I would pick your own products for which are being displayed, and make sure they are on things that are going to be readable. It's kind of hard to see some of these and the tile is a bit too small on some. So just make sure people can read your designs 100% when they're looking through your shop like this. So then they're going to have a lot more time, or a lot less harder of a time buying things or seeing things when they're scrolling in search results, because if they can actually see your design fully in bold, they're going to stop and look at it, and they might be interested, it might catch their eye. But when it's these small tiles, it's hard to tell what it is, so many people might just scroll right past it. But with all that being said, you have a lot of, you know, Christmas design, stuff like that. It looks like you have been designing still, so definitely keep designing, and keep in mind you want to make designs that you can definitely view, that are bigger and bolder in the search results, and put them on the products that are going to make them stand out as well, just so you get a lot more exposure and people don't just scroll by your listings. But 1800 favorites, pretty good, great stuff. That means a couple of your designs have done pretty well, so maybe go back and double down on those niches. But thank you so much for submitting your shop, everybody, and that's been it for this episode of Shop Review. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of Shop Reviews. It's been your friend Jack, and if you made it to this point of the video, comment down below review. Also, if you guys want to submit your shops, just let me know by sending me a message in the Discord group down in the description, or you can send me a message on Instagram, also linked down in the description, because the comments do get deleted a lot of the time. I did not realize this. So if you want to see your shop get reviewed, send me a message on Instagram, send me a message on Discord. I should respond pretty quickly. And with all that being said, I hope you guys have a great freaking day. Keep striving, stay blessed. It's been your friend Jack. Peace.